Yes.
Good. My name is Lior Fleischer, and I am the CEO of and the co-inventor of Barimote's IoT for the gut technological solution. Obesity-related type 2 diabetes is a problem that impacts the life of over 425 million adults worldwide. But metabolic surgery is the best way to treat it because it can induce in up to 78% of them a remission, or in 87% of them an improvement, and even reduce medications by 76%. There are currently two types of metabolic surgeries that are acceptable. It's adjustable gastric bending, gastric bypass, and sleeve gastrectomy. The question then is, why are there only 640,000 procedures performed every year? And the answer to that is that there is a 50% reported long-term failure rate within the first 5 years. This failure rate is due to the lack of long-term compliance with the required changes by the patients and the lack of proper lifetime follow-up for them. To solve these two issues and enable this type of treatment to take its place, we are developing the Barimote remote monitoring and real-time training adjustable gastric bending, which is actually a combination between one of the types of the surgeries and a plurality of sensors that actually collects data regarding patient eating behavior, lifestyle changes, and all the required changes that are required from the patient to assist the process. All this data is uploaded by a smartphone and to the cloud, and combined with AI, we can tailor-made a treatment for the patient according to his condition now. Currently, the golden standard is chronic medication for those patients, and this is a market that accumulates about $70 billion every year. The current cost per patient every year varies between China, for example, at $2,850 to the United States, which is about $17,000. The issue accumulates an expenditure of over 1.5 trillion US dollars. That means that it is time for a change from the previous method of chronic medication to what we call personalized type 2 diabetes treatment or medicine, which is actually to move from a schematic way of lifestyle changes recommended, medications, etc., to a system that looks all the time at the lifetime by plurality of sensors that collects the data and enables the doctor to personalize the treatment according to the patient condition now. We envision 3 streams of revenues, 2 that are about to come from 2 medical devices that we intend to develop, and a stream of revenues that will come from an annual fee that will be paid to us for each patient follow-up. We've got today a strong co-leading team that includes me, my partner, an engineer, 2 surgeons, and 1 endocrinologist. We've done an in-lab study that we've shown that the system is able to identify 9 out of 10 food volumes passing through the system. And we've got 5 granted patents and a strong drive to succeed. What do we need? We are currently looking for funding to continue our R&D, product R&D. We need another 3 to 4 years of product R&D, and we expect that within 4 to 5 years we'll be in the market after regulatory approvals and, yes, partners that together we can make it all come true. Thank you, and join us in this journey.